Oh, no, it's shampoo. It smells like candy. Probably like melted gummies. I swallow shampoo, probably gonna die. Smell like candy, that was a lie. Called the number of the bottle, spoke to a guy. He said, vomit. I said, why? He said, poison. I said, goodbye. I look at my finger. I look at my life. It's probably not much. I probably just need my son shampoo. Probably gonna die. Smell like candy. That was a lie. I'm from shampoo. Probably gonna die. It smells like true. That was a lie. Bye guys. Hope this is a new sound. Why does my hair look like a bebop? I'm a rock star. Hope this is a new sound.